Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another drink video for you guys today. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a pineapple Henny Rita. Okay, a pineapple Hennessy Margarita. So I'm going to be using my shaker today. And this is not a frozen drink. So I'm going to be using some pineapple juice. This is the only one I could really find in the store. And then I have my little small Hennessy. Some triple sec. And Master of Mixes sweet and sour. And I'm just going to be doing one drink today. So what I'm going to do is pour in a half a shot of the triple sec. Two shots of my sweet and sour. Two shots of my pineapple juice. And I'm going to put the lid on. Give it a good shake. And then I'm going to get some ice in my cup. I forgot to put a little squeeze of some lime juice. Shake it up again. And now we're going to pour it in. Go ahead and dump in my Hennessy bottle. You can wipe it off if you want to put the whole thing in there. If you don't, you don't have to. And then I'm just going to garnish with some pineapples. And there you have it, guys. My pineapple Henny Rita. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick video today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and comment down below if there's anything you would like to see me make, and I'll be happy to do that for you. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.